It's back, the M&S Beauty Advent Calendar 2025. It's worth £330, but it's only going to cost you £60 when you spend £35 on full price fashion, beauty or homewares with M&S. They're calling it 25 Days of Beautiful. Let's find out if it's really as beautiful as they say it is, especially for those of us with mature skin. Hi, I'm Marie. Welcome to Curious Beauty, where we try out all the latest makeup and skincare to see what really works on mature skin. Today we are unboxing the brand new M&S Beauty Advent Calendar 2025. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Right then, let's take a first lot inside the box. Really nice box here. It says here it's a collaboration with Bella Freud, so I guess that's who's responsible for this really nice black and gold starry design. We have got a lovely little ribbon here to open the box with, and let's see what happens when we open the lid. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of funny. Right, so we have got some of the numbers here. I think I heard that there's another layer underneath, so let me just pull this down onto the table and we'll take a closer look. Right, so we have this box down on the table now. Notice there's a really pretty ribbon here actually that has the M&S Bella Freud kind of design on it as well. We'll open up the lid, and I read somewhere someone was not too happy that actually to get to the rest of the boxes you actually have to lift these ones out. So rather than there being like a layer that you can kind of lift out all in one, all the boxes are kind of stacked in here together. Right then, you can see I have laid out all the boxes behind me so we can start unboxing them one by one. Let's get going. Let us start with box number one. Right, so what have we got in here? This looks rather interesting. This says Floral Street Sweet Almond Blossom, Eau de Parfum 10ml from the Van Gogh Museum, Amsterdam. I've got to say, I didn't quite know what to expect from this advent calendar. I don't think I've had the M&S Beauty Advent Calendar before, so I'm not quite sure what the kind of balance of skincare and makeup and other products is. And it seems that our first one is a Vincent van Gogh inspired perfume. That's pretty nice actually. Box number two. Box number two says relax. Oh, what's this? Indulgence Bath and Shower Oil. Bloom and blossom off to bed. It's got quite a nice subtle scent to it, and it says it's sweet almond oil, lavender, apricot kernel oil and ylang ylang to help you ease away the day. I would say I can definitely smell the lavender in here. Box number three. Feels like a heavy one. And it says rich. Ooh. We have One Step Gel Manicure from Nails Inc. In the shade Billy. Box number four. Oh, it says silky. Oh, shampoo. Living Proof Full Shampoo for fine, thin or flat hair. Box number five. Intriguing. Aha, a comb. Handle by Bloom. A wide tooth comb. Box number six says fresh. Oh, cowshed. Calming bath and shower gel with essential oils of lavender and eucalyptus. It's a long time since I've used anything from the cowshed. They do smell lovely, these products. I think I'm getting eucalyptus more than lavender on the first smell. Box number 7, heavy-ish one. Oh, Percy and Reed, London. I Need a Hero. Wonder Overnight Recovery Mask for the hair. I certainly need that at the moment, so I look forward to using that one. Box number 8. Small shakeable one. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, nice. Steeler. Stay All Day Smudge and Set Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. Looks like it's in a brown shade to me. Oh, that looks like a good find. Box number 9. Fairly heavy but small. Oh, what's this? Oh, lovely. Almond hand cream from L'Occitane. One of my favourite hand creams, actually, this is. Really nice. Box number 10. Again, fairly small but substantial box. Oh, lovely. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair mini size. Really, really great night serum, this. Highly recommend that one. Box 11. Not shaking about too much. Feels quite large. And, aha, we have the partner to our shampoo. We have Living Proof Conditioner. Box number 12. What do we have here? We have a claw clip for the hair. Not much use to me at the moment, but perhaps when my hair grows a little bit longer, that will come in handy. Right, we are about halfway there. Let's just get on with box number 13. 13. Wow, Dream Cocktail. Carb infused leave-in thickening treatment. We have another hair treatment product here. Box 14. Oh, Dr. Pawpaw Lip and Eye Balm for lips, eyes and skins. This is something of a classic, I think, Dr. Pawpaw. Box 15. A classic Benefit Benetint. I think that's the second one I've had out of my Advent selection this year. Box 16 sounds rather heavy and substantial. Ooh, let me get in it. What is this? Discover your scent. Oh, Discover Soft Gardenia. Gardenia, Vanilla, Sandalwood, Eau de Toilette. 17. Ooh, says shimmer. Oh, we have some Nuxe Huile Prodigieuse. Multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. To be honest, I think I've had a sample of this before, but I'm not entirely sure what one does with a dry oil. If you have any suggestions, please drop a comment down below. Number 18. More cowshed. We have this time a body lotion. And again, this is in the lavender and eucalyptus oils scent. Box 19. What is this? Restore and Nourish Advanced Replenishing Day Cream SPF 15. This looks like it's a replenishing day cream with an SPF of 15 in it. 20. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Body Lotion, 21. Massaging and Cooling Stainless Steel Gua Sha, another product from Bloom. Again, I'm not entirely sure what you do with these gua shas, but I think they are supposed to help drainage and kind of depuffing on the face. 22. We have from Pry Beauty Ageless Throat and Decolletage Cream. Lovely. I'm kind of getting into neck and decolletage creams these days. I haven't tried this one, so I look forward to giving that a go. 23. Oh, we have a Lauder Skin Food. Rich, intensive skincare for very dry and rough skin. And inside the box, we have a 30ml body cream. 24. Oh, lovely, an Emma Hardy product. Again, I haven't tried very many, maybe none. Maybe I haven't tried any Emma Hardy products because they are a little bit on the luxury side. So I'm really looking forward to trying something. This is the Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask. Sounds amazing. Okay, and last but not least, we have box 25. Oh, lovely. We have something from Clinique. So at least M&S haven't let us down with day 25. We have a decent product for our Christmas Day Advent, and we have a high impact mascara from Clinique. This is in the shade 02 Black/Brown. So here we have it, the full rundown from M&S's 25 Days of Beautiful. There are some really lovely brands in here. Want to highlight Clinique, Emma Hardy, Lauder, This Works, Cowshed, Bloom, Living Proof, Percy and Reed, Bloom and Blossom, and everyone else here. There are some really luxurious products and a good introduction to some of them if you've never tried some of these brands before. Let me know what you think of the contents of this year's Advent down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my M&S Beauty Advent Calendar unboxing. Let me know what you think of this year's Advent Calendar and are you tempted to buy it. If you're interested in my makeup look today, I did the makeup look using Huda Beauty foundation, other products and the Pretty Grunge palette. So if you're interested in seeing me unboxing and using this palette for the first time, I will stick a link to my video up here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.